Guys, I cannot get a break. Look. Motherfucker battery died.
Turn the car in circles until the time's done. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, you guys. So I'm on my way to pull apart. I gotta go get me a tail light for the this little blue blurple Chevy Cobalt I got. I had it for a while. It's the one that had all the electrical problems. They fixed that. I picked it up a while back. It just been so damn hot, and you know, y'all, I went out of town for my birthday, so shit, I'm just getting back into the swing of things. I already sold that black Cobalt. Let's see. I got my little tools with me. I need a ratchet. I got my little mini ratchet. I need a 7 and a 10. So I got a 7 and a 10 socket. I'm about to go out here and get up in this heat. Y'all see I got my water. Got my water, man. I gotta stay hydrated. Not dehydrated. I need to stay hydrated. I need to drink all my goddamn water. Shit, I ain't trying to pass out in this motherfucker. If y'all seen the video yesterday, man, Big Bertha's Old Faithful. I'm gonna tell y'all, Big Bertha's Old Faithful. Got my pipes on here. I'm loving it. Got my Coke K&N air filter. Got the Black Hawk on there. And let me pull up in here. Yeah, we got the pull A part. Not pull apart, pull A part. But what was I gonna say? But yeah, man, Lala, man, that bitch Lala, disappointment, embarrassing. This motherfucker just shut off on me out of nowhere. Lucky I was at home. It just shut off. It just shut off on me. I parked it. I didn't even get to fully park it. It shut off. And then what happened after that? I tried to start it. In yesterday's video, it start up and shut off. Start up, shut off. So I gotta find a way to get it to the mechanic shop. Probably had them tow it over there or whatever the fuck to the mechanic shop. I gotta call that the Camaro with the convertible is done. I can't wait to see that. Y'all might see that in today's video. And I gotta pick up 4 cars I got from the auction. But man, it's gonna be a long fucking day. And it's already 12 o'clock. And I already went to Walmart earlier and bought some floor mats and a steering wheel cover for that Cobalt. And I gotta still clean that up just a little bit. I ain't gonna wipe down the seat. Someone just gonna have to buy that shit like that and go get a detail they sell. I bought the steering wheel cover because this shit was all ripped up on there. So I got that, and then I got, you know, floors are kind of nasty. I'm about to do a little vacuum. So yeah, we got a lot of work. I gotta clean the motor. But first, I gotta come out here and go get this motherfucking light. So anyways, guys, let's get it. So guys, we out here, we made it out here, man. So we looking for this Cobalt, man. You know, it's always fun to walk around here, man. It's like, I don't know, it got a certain feeling. I don't know, looking for parts. I don't know. I like being in the junkyard though, man. Like for real, looking through these damn cars and shit, man. Seeing what's out here. It's like looking for gold. You never know what you might find out here. You might find classes like, oh, I need that damn part for this car. Oh, it's the right color and all that shit. But anyway, I'm gonna make it quick. I need to hurry up and get in and out. I got shit to do. God damn, everybody wants the driver's side. Fuck. There's one perfect. I found one driver's side over there to make sure they ain't take it off and hit it in the car or nothing. No. It's fucking bullshit, man. I almost walked around this whole motherfucking thing. Everyone I found, all the driver's side is out. Right now I got red tape going over it. I'm gonna keep looking. I gotta go. If they don't have it here, I'm about to go to LKQ. And LKQ don't got it, I'm gonna call a couple other salvage yards. But shit, somebody gotta have this motherfucker. I don't wanna buy this shit new. Shit, I might just put red tape back over it. Go buy some new, fresh red tape and just put over it and call it a day. Shit, I got to sell this. Time is money, money is time. Shit, let's sell this thing. Just in case y'all don't believe me, look at this shit. But this one there, what a coincidence. This is fucking bullshit, man. Damn, it's too goddamn hot to be playing around with these raggedy ass cars. Yep. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. I'm really trying to find this goddamn shit, man. I got my tools in my back pocket. Shit, I got my tools in my back pocket. That's all I need, y'all. I'm good. Man. Shit, let's keep on looking. Are you fucking serious? Fucking bitch ass. But this one is always fine. Okay, this one I don't feel so bad. Got a little damage, but god damn, it's way better than this motherfucker. This look worse than the one I got on there. Ah, shit, man. I don't know what the fuck. It's like, I don't know what the fuck is this, man. I got my lucky shirt on, man. I'm supposed to have some type of luck. Come on, shit. Here go another one. I just know this one got it. I just know. Oh, damn, they took the whole fucking back bumper off. Is it in the trunk? They must have took that whole fucking back bumper. Hold on, let me see back there. I found something. In this motherfucker. This shit out the way. Is this one I need? Is this? Hold on. What side is this? No. This motherfucker go on. Ah, that's the. I ain't gonna destroy that. Someone might need that. Oh, there's another one in there. Come on, come on. Got the lucky shirt on. Please, no damage. Please, no damage. No damage. Yeah, that motherfucker look clean. Let's make sure. Damn, it's a little fucked up. Let's see. Okay. Yep, that's gonna have to work. Even though there's a slight crackage right here, I don't know, can y'all see the crackage right there? But other than that, from a distance, you can't tell. So, shit, this shit gonna have to work. I think I want, what the fuck is this one? Oh, that's for Malibu. I'm gonna double check. I'm gonna continue looking around. But I think I'm just gonna go with this one because it's cheaper. They're cheaper here than LKQ. What's that, a G6 over there? But yeah, guys, it's fucking hot. I'm sweating bullets. I'm sweating like a greasy cheeseburger. But I think I got the one. Like, fuck it, it's gonna have to work. Everything attached to it. Don't need. I already got my own screws, so I think I'm gonna just go with this one. Fuck it. I'm gonna go with this one. I don't got time. Shit. I got shit to do. Shout out to Pull Apart, man, for hooking me up, man. They didn't even charge me to get in there, man. They showed me love. Shout out to the homie that hooked me up. And now he's a subscriber. He's probably watching this right now. Shout out to you. But anyways, do not drink and drive, man. That's why they got this out here. They wanted to spread the message. Do not drink and drive. Cause look at this shit. This shit is pushed back. I'm up in here. I'm up in here where like, look at this. Fucking motor collapse. They oh man. Hope they all right, but the way the fuck this shit look. This shit's sad, man. It's sad. Look at this shit. I know they probably put a lot of this shit in here, but I could just imagine. I could fucking imagine. Man, they must have motherfucking was racing or something in this big motherfucker. This is not a race car. Fuck that. The engine pushed this ass in that motherfucker. God damn, the top caved in. Oh man, it's horrible. It's horrible. That little Firebird over there. Oh, it's fucking horrible, man. Look at this shit. This shit buckled. The fucking tire is under almost the fucking back door. The front tire almost touching the fucking back door. Like, it's fucking ridiculous, man. Sad, but yeah, I just had to record this shit for y'all, man. But I'm about to hop in Big Bertha and get back to work. Pulled over here to the vacuums, man. The little free vacuums, man. All I gotta do is back it. It ain't really that dirty. It's got like little crumbs right there. Now they gotta do a little cleaning the crumbs up, man. See this? Driving this Cobalt. It needs alignment. Y'all can see the steering. And also it needs new tires all the way around. I'm not gonna keep putting a whole bunch of money in this car. I'm gonna sell it for a good price. Y'all follow me on Instagram if y'all want to know the price or whatever. Y'all know I remove all the cars after I sell them. And if I don't have shit on Instagram, that means I don't got shit for sale. And if I got something on Instagram, that means if it's still on Instagram, that means it's still for sale. But yeah guys, so seems like it's driving pretty good. It's just that this steering wheel's kind of off and these tires are little bald, pretty bald. I'm about to go ahead and clean it up. But it'll make someone a good car, man. If someone wants to buy tires, usually people be crying around if the tire's on 70 or 80%, they want some shit that got 100% tread on it. So they be crying when it's like, oh, 60%, 70%. Like, shit, it's a used ass car. Put your own tires on there. But yeah, anyways guys, they're gonna put tires on this anyways. If y'all guys interested, hit me up. Lucky Wheels and Deals on IG, Instagram. I'm about to go spray it off. I'm about to clean this damn motor off so y'all see. Well, the motor ain't super dirty, but I want to get this shit off, clean that up. I'm gonna spray it a little bit, clean all this stuff up. So yeah, let's get it. This $1 in there. Let's take my damn $1. You don't want my $1? I got $1, make you holla. So guys, I cannot get a break. Look, motherfucker battery died. Fuck, motherfucker. Ah, man, fucking with these raggedy ass cars. Now I'm stuck. I need to get a hold of a jump box. My junk box in my truck is not gonna help me right now. So let me figure this shit out. And it is what it is, man. It's all part of the game, but fuck, it's hot. I'm fucking wet. I feel nasty, disgusting. But yeah, anyways guys, let me figure this shit out. I'll get right back to y'all. Motherfucker, everybody loud. Money making Sean came to the rescue, brought my jump box. Yeah, look out, can't tell him shit. Can't tell him shit. Yeah, he going down there. But yeah, I just had to jump it off. I think it died. The car shut off because I wet the engine, and then the key was turned on. This battery's probably weak because ain't nobody been driving it. And plus, when I dropped off to mechanic shop, remember it was the key wouldn't come out, so that shit was always stuck on. So the battery is really weak. And this car just needs to be driven. So I had it on, the ignition on, and while I was power washing the whole car for the, about that 10 minutes I was washing this car, and it just killed the battery. So that should be in the game though, like EA. So I got my little jump box back there. But anyways guys, let's go ride over here to the destination and let's do a walk around if I could take some pictures and get this bad boy ready to sell. Y'all see that Honda over there missing the front bumper? It's common to see that type of stuff. It's common to see people with busted windows driving around here. It's common to see that type of stuff, like for real. Like the car market is all the way different. Oklahoma's all the way different. So when you see it's not fixing everything on the car, you can get away with that kind of shit in Oklahoma, not fixing every goddamn thing. People are gonna buy it. You know what I mean? He ride around with no front bumper. He'll ride around with no back bumper, with the license plate in the back window. People ride around with no hoods. I see it common, like it's common like that. Riding around with cars with no windows that work. Riding with cars with no windows, like shit. Riding around with all spare tires on the car. Yeah, it's common like that, and they sell them like that, and they buy them like that, and they keep them like that. So yeah, the market's all the way different in Oklahoma, man. You can sell fucking anything. Here goes the finished product. As much as I'm gonna get to it. You see the tires, they're not that good. These are a little dry rotted. And I'm just making these videos so I can show y'all when y'all hit me up from out of town and want to fly in or drive in. These tires are gonna have to be fixed ASAP though. If y'all gonna drive it back, got my tail light up in there. That was well worth it. Getting that fixed, put that thing in there. Yeah, these tires are like pretty much like fucked up. Like really, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't trying to put no more money in this. This fender, you can go to Savage Yard, go find you a fender. You might be able to find you a matching one. Apologize for the wind out here, it's windy. But need to get another one of these. It seems like every time I come out here and start recording, the wind just want to pick up. Just let it just blow. This shit feel good though, I ain't gonna lie. But this part missing. But anyways, enough with the bad shit. It runs pretty good. Got the steering wheel cover put on there. That's good. Got the floor mats put in there. They don't look too bad. It's not that dirty, man. There's stains in here. You can go get that detailed. If you're a detailed person, then shit, that's excellent. You see, I had to have my jump box because it's not a game, y'all. It's not a game. And I decided that I'm gonna make a second video. I'm not gonna record all goddamn day and put it in one because it'll be too long of a video. So y'all watch the next video when I go pick up them 4 cars that I bought from yesterday's auction. But yeah, anyway, I gotta start breaking up these videos, man. Sometimes they be too goddamn long. Some people end up fast forwarding them. Some people sit there and eat a whole dinner, roll a joint, sip to my shit. Hey, it's all love, man. Even though I don't do it, y'all do it for me. How about that? But yeah, it sounds pretty good. Yeah, like I said, y'all come from out of town, y'all let me know. Let me close this door. Matter of fact, let me do what I usually do. Let me roll all the windows down so y'all can see how I ride. Let me step back one time. Y'all can get the vision, man. AC work, ice cold. You know what I mean? Yeah. Looking good, looking clean, boy. I brought it back to life enough. I ain't gonna make it brand new. That's for the next owner. You know what I mean? But yeah, I like the color. It's decent, man. It's decent. But anyways, guys, man, shout out to the whole fucking Lucky Nation, man. Subscribe to my new YouTube channel, Lucky Nation Station. Subscribe to Melly's channel, Melly's World. The link is in the description. But just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Yay!
I pull a heater, man. Never follow a leader, man. Even though we try, it's hard to beat 'em, man. Put up or shut up, my